Welcome to Trading Psychology Journal. Let's talk about something most people secretly wonder but few dare to face honestly. Can beginners really make money with day trading in 2025? The internet is full of promises. Turn $100 into $10,000. Quit your job in 1 month with day trading. But deep down, you know the truth isn't that simple. Because day trading for beginners isn't a fairy tale. It's a battlefield. Everyone starts with a dream. You see charts moving fast, candles exploding with colors, profits doubling in minutes. You imagine yourself in front of multiple screens, living free, no boss, no alarm clock, just pure financial independence. But here's the thing about day trading. It's not a game of luck. It's a mirror that reflects your greed, fear, impatience, and ego right back at you. The market exposes who you truly are. Before you learn how to day trade, you must learn who you are when money is at risk. Most beginners lose not because they're not smart enough, but because they expect it to be easy. The first few trades might go well. You catch a small win. You feel like you found the secret formula. That's the dangerous part. Early success in day trading stocks or day trading crypto can build a false confidence that leads you straight into overtrading. And when you lose, you chase. When you chase, you lose more. If your first experience with the market is a win, you're actually in danger. Because you haven't yet learned respect for risk. Most people think the hardest part is strategy, finding the perfect system, the best indicator, or the right mentor. But that's only 20% of the game. The real battle happens inside your head. Fear when the candle moves against you. Greed when the chart looks too good to be true. Anger when you break your own rules. Overconfidence after one lucky streak. Day trading for beginners often ends not because of lack of skill, but because of lack of emotional control. That's why every serious day trader eventually realizes that success isn't about predicting the market, it's about mastering yourself. So, how do you start? How do you learn how to day trade for beginners in a way that actually gives you a chance? First, forget about getting rich fast. Think of trading like martial arts. You don't become a black belt in 1 week. You train, you fail, you repeat, you learn discipline. In day trading forex, day trading crypto, or day trading stocks, every trade is like a training session. You're not fighting the market, you're fighting your impulses. Keep a journal, write down every emotion, every mistake, every lesson. Ask yourself, why did I enter this trade? Was I patient? Was I disciplined? Did I follow my rules or my emotions? This habit alone can separate the dreamers from the professionals. Beginners love strategies. Which indicator is best? Should I use RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands? But strategy obsession is another trap. You can learn how to trade crypto, how to trade stocks, or how to trade forex, and still lose money every single week. So buoniaber somburstan wine deader disam uyamyam anikandiao. Why can't stick to one system long enough to master it? Your method doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be consistent. The key is not to find a magical indicator, the key is to train your mind to follow a system without breaking your own rules. Let's be honest, the market plays with your emotions like a puppet master. When you're greedy, it tempts you. When you're scared, it tricks you. When you're angry, it punishes you. You can't remove emotions, but you can learn to act despite them. When fear says, don't enter, logic must whisper, yee. Follow the plan. When greed screams, double your size. Wisdom says, stick to your risk limit. A day trader who masters emotional neutrality can survive anything. The one who doesn't will blow up every account. Trading gives the illusion that you control the market because you can click buy or sell, but that control is fake. You can't control price, you can't control volatility, you can only control your response. That's why professionals treat every trade like a probability, not a prediction. They don't need to be right every time, they just need to protect themselves when they're wrong. That's the true mindset behind consistent profitability in day trading. Now, you might be thinking, maybe the market in 2025 is different. Maybe AI tools, algorithms, or new brokers have changed everything. But the truth? The battlefield hasn't changed, only the weapons have. You can use bots, indicators, or AI to assist you, but if your psychology is weak, technology won't save you. You'll still fall into the same traps. Overtrading, revenge trading, breaking rules, refusing to accept losses. In 2025, the edge doesn't come from having the fastest data. It comes from having the strongest mind. So, can beginners really make money with day trading? Yes, but not the way most people think. It won't happen overnight. It won't come from copying a strategy or buying a signal. It will come from discipline, the kind that's built one trade at a time. Here's the truth. No one tells you. Your small losses are your tuition. Your mistakes are your mentors. And your emotions are your real opponents. If you can learn to lose properly, you will eventually learn how to win sustainably. Because in this game, survival is victory. Many new traders quit after 3 months. Some blow up their accounts. Some swear trading is a scam. But a few, a very small few, push through. They rebuild. They learn. They evolve. And one day, it clicks. Not because the market changed, but because they did. They stopped chasing perfection and started focusing on consistency. They stopped trying to predict and started reacting with discipline. They stopped seeking shortcuts and started embracing patience. That's when profits come quietly, almost invisibly. One small win at a time. In trading, your greatest enemy isn't the market, it's the voice in your head that says, "This time will be different." That voice that whispers, "Just one more trade." You must silence it, not with force, but with awareness. Remember, every time you press buy or sell, you're not just trading a chart, you're trading your emotions. And that's what makes this journey so brutally honest and so deeply rewarding. So yes, beginners can absolutely make money with day trading in 2025. But it's not luck. It's not guessing. It's a slow process of transformation, from emotional chaos to calm precision. You'll need patience when others give up, discipline when others get greedy, and self-control when everyone around you is losing their mind. The market doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards emotional mastery. If you can train your mind harder than you train your strategy, if you can stay humble in success and resilient in failure, then one day, you won't need to ask if beginners can make money. You'll already be living proof that they can. This is Trading Psychology Journal, reminding you that trading isn't about beating the market, it's about becoming the kind of person who can.